Gen 1 Camaro here to check out at Unique Classic Cars. 1969 model year Chevrolet Camaro. Z28 Tribute. 383 stroker underneath that cowl hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. Let's take a look at this chrome, which was new when this car was restored. This car was actually restored 2012 to 2013. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase of this vehicle. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures. You can call us 507-386-1726. There'll be pictures of the engine bay, undersides, interior, trunk. Over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. Tangerine pearl paint with those flat black deck stripes you can see on the hood and also on the rear. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see the paint shows well in this one. Riding on Coy's 5-spoke chrome wheels. Interior was done at the time of restoration. Black vinyl buckets. Center console with the gauge cluster mounted on that center console. Chrome was also redone at the time of restoration. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few other things miscellaneous that are going to go along with this. You can see air filter, some miscellaneous badging, antenna, floor mats, of course. It's a center, like blow ring, center emblem for a steering wheel, one box, and a couple more modern headlights with an LED surround the outside. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. So take a peek down the driver's side of this car. 373 rear end 10 bolt. So 373 gears in the rear end 10 bolt. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a couple little imperfections in the paint. I notice, I don't even know if I can hardly get them to show out there. You can kind of see them. But nothing that stands out on this one. Interior door panels. You'll be able to see in the still pictures, I have pictures underneath the floor mats of the carpeting. Carpeting was also installed when the interior was redone at the time of restoration in 2012, 2013. Timeline. Let's go ahead and start it up. Very healthy sounding car. That 383 stroker underneath the hood. Aftermarket stereo does work. There's actually an amp in the trunk. Let it warm up a little bit. That was a cold start. Kind of see the gauge cluster, the horseshoe shifter when it's in park. It impedes that a little bit, but when you're out driving it, that shifter's going to come back. Easy to see the gauges. Dash looks good. Headliner, all intact and good. Door closes nicely. And here we go. So 383 stroker, sounding healthy. Slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video. The underside of that cowl hood. Engine bay. Edelbrock intake, manifold, aluminum heads, headers, HEI ignition, 4-barrel carb, and again power steering, power brake, battery disconnect over here. tubular control arms. Nice looking engine bay. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Tribute. Comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in a very good-looking orange with black stripes. This is an automatic on the center console. Some nice aftermarket gauges mounted in front of that shifter. Let's get her up to speed. Very good power in this Camaro, up to speed in just a couple seconds. We have an aftermarket tachometer right in front here reading 2300 as we cruise along at 55 miles per hour, if that speedometer is accurate. Fuel gauge is reading half. Underneath we have a fuel gauge that reads full. Aftermarket ones. Water is reading about 200. Oil 65. Volts 13.5. This car stays perfectly straight if I let go of the wheel. Nice smooth ride. I feel the road just enough. This car feels like it has upgraded suspension as it grips the road well. Let's take a corner here and see how it feels. Yeah, hugs the road very well. Definitely better than a factory 69 Camaro. Lots of fun to get on that throttle. Our radio works, our blower fan works. The wipers also work. Very nice looking car, inside and out. Take a look at all the pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com.